Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday morning over here. Simply the perfect day for making snacks for family, for parties, and for personal use. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make cupcake, and I'm going to use this cup for measurements. We're going to be needing 1.5 of the cup. So this is the 1 cup. I'm going to sift it because the sieve will not be able to take 1.5 cup at a time, and this is the half. Here is the half cup of our flour, and the next thing I'll be adding is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I will sieve. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share with family and friends. Here is half cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and then mix the dry ingredients together until well combined. I'm done mixing the dry ingredients and I'm going to keep it aside. In another bowl, I'm going to add half cup of oil, then 4 eggs. So I'm going to whisk until it becomes light and fluffy. If you have whisking machine, good and fine, but if you don't have, you can use your whisk and you also get same result, just like the way I did. Now I'll be adding a cup of milk and continue whisking. Now that I'm done whisking the egg, milk and oil, I'll be adding half of the flour mixture I sieved earlier. And then mix gently until well combined. At this point, I'll be adding the remaining flour mixture I sieved earlier, and then continue mixing until well combined.
Nighttime alone, I lay in the dark and look past the ceiling, up at the stars. I wonder how far and which one is yours. So when I talk,
and this is the perfect consistency for our cupcake. What is vanilla cake without adding a vanilla flavor? So at this point, I added a tablespoon of vanilla flavor and then mixed gently until well combined. If you have never added vanilla flavor to your cupcake, then you are missing. This gives a nice aroma to the cake, and this is the best consistency. Now I'm done. The next thing is to transfer it into our muffin pan. But before that, you need to line the cupcake pan with cupcake paper. Now I'll be transferring the batter into the pan. Then bake for about 180 degrees Celsius between 20 to 25 minutes. Our cake is ready and it came out perfectly okay. For you to know that your cake is done, you use a toothpick to punch it this way. If it comes out clean, then your cake is okay. The cake came out beautiful and tasty. Other people use full cup of sugar to make this, but I decided to use half because I don't like too much sugar in my cake. But if you are the type that like it sweet, you can add a cup of sugar, but believe me, with half cup of sugar you are okay. If you are here watching my video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, I say thank you for always returning back to watch my video. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Just try this few ingredients cupcake and I know you are going to like it. And I know you are going to like it with any of your favorite drinks. See you some other time when I post my next video. Bye bye.